Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 28th to July the 31st reading. Ayan, on time tayo, no? Sana magdire-diretso na Leo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and please do hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo po ay nagre-release po ng bagong video, no po. So, Leo, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, pwede po kayong mag-subscribe din sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. And kung hindi nyo po ma-champohan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo, Leo. So ang nakikita ko dito, parang meron ng gustong umamin, meron ng gustong, kumbaga, yung pinupush na tayo ng ating damdamin, no? Na umamin na sa isang tao. Whether it is you, your person, or this could be a mirrored energy. One thing's for sure, the energy here is kind of like pushing the person, or it could be the both of you, to confide and confess their feelings. Although there are still a lot of things for you to sabihin nating consider in here. Now, let's check those considerations. This could be studies. This could be aspirations in life. This could be something that you want to achieve first prior magkaroon tayo ng prior, bumukod tayo, magsarili tayo, yung kumbaga yung mga obligations muna natin as a person to our community. Naks naman, Leo, na ganun talaga. Or as a brother, sister, no, as a sibling, as a daughter, no, or son. There's something here na napaka-selfless, no. Parang kasing yung sa'yo, yung the obligations in here, lalo na siguro dito sa mga panganay, it is actually being formed by the society, by traditions, by religion, no? So those are just samples of the considerations, no, na medyo ating hinihinay-hinay bago tayo magseryoso, or baka kasi also kasal, no, bago tayo magkaroon ng anak. Something very traditional that needs to happen in here. Hindi ko na itatouch yung religion kasi that's very taboo, no. And we're not talking about religion in here, we're talking about spirituality. So although nandun na nga tayo sa mga pag-amin, gustong aminin, kumbaga kating-kati na tayo, taing-tain na tayo, no? Sabihin or umamin or i-accept, no, itong invitation ni person or itong ino-offer, no? Kahit papano medyo may nagpipigil. Nine of Pentacles in here, the Five of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. Kaso at the back of your mind, siguro iniisip natin, paano kung nanawa ito si person na suyuin tayo? Those are just the questions. Hindi ko sinabing mangyayari. Probably that's one of the factors also kaya you're caught up in between of sige na ba? Oo na ba? Hindi na ba? Especially doon sa mga singles, sasagutin ko na ba ito? No? Kasi ang misconceptions kay Leo, no, hindi siya ganun. Kasi sobrang strong ng personality to a point na minsan akala nila puro angas, no? Hindi nila alam na si Leo may soft side din. And si Leo, kapag nagseryoso siya, seryoso. So yun siguro din yung iniiwasan ni Leo na I know when I fall in love with a person, this is gonna be it. No, as much as possible. Sorry, nangangate ko. As much as possible. Ang dry. Nakita nyo? Anyway, sorry, hindi ako naka-lotion ngayon. Um, anyway, so parang ang sinasabi ni Leo dito is, what if kung also the fear, no, probably is stopping Leo from confiding. Um, kasi alam ko, kilala ko yung sarili ko, no? Baka this relationship or this emotion might turn back against me, no? With the Five of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Strength card. So, even just the thought of it, na hindi man nangyayari. Is it you, Leo, na nag-overthink tayo ngayon? Let me know sa comment section kasi hindi man to nangyayari, nakakita ko, ay masasaktan ako kapag umalis to. So, masasaktan ako kapag nagkaroon kami ng separations or hindi to natuloy, itong relationship na to. So, ang iniisip natin dito, agad, is the future pain, no? Sa bagay, this is you also securing yourself when it comes to having a relationship, no? Kaya, yun nga sabi ko kanina, caught up in between, oo na ba, hindi pa ba, lalo na dun sa mga nililigawan, um, with the Tower and the Temperance. So, okay, what I am reading in here is the dynamic. It could be you, or it could be the cross watchers that I am um, reading. Kasi ang nakikita ko, what's important in here yung nangyayari, no? Sa dynamic. Um, Meron kasi ditong isang tao na parang sinasabi niya dito, hindi ko na nakukuha kung gusto ba, ayaw ba. So parang, oo, hindi. Nandun kayo sa gray area, no? Ah, with the Judgment and the Magician, uy, gusto kong malaman, now na ora mismo. Are we going to pursue this? Are we going to stop this? Hanggang dito lang ba tayo? Or do you have plans of putting the connection into another level of commitment? With the Three of Wands, ang tagal ko na nag-aantay, sabi. With the Five of Swords, the Seven of Wands, actually, ang dami ko ng plans, no? Ang dami ko na, kumbaga buo na rin. Sabi nung siguro si person B, itong naiinip, no? Si person A, ito yung parang nagpipigil. Si person B yung naiinip. So, ang sabi ni person B, ang dami ko ng plans na naiisip, ang dami ko ng gustong gawin, ang dami ko ng gustong simulan dito sa relationship. Pero without your go signal, no, I can't, I can't make it all come to fruition dahil because of the blockage, no. Si person A kasi naglalagay ng blockage. With Seven of Wands in here, no, hindi pa ba sapat ang sinasabing, kumbaga, ipinapakita naman nito ni person B na I am serious, no, wala kang dapat ipag-alala, no, I'm very responsible, in fact, maayos naman din ako sa bahay, no, maayos akong tao. So, siguro someone here is questioning, ano yung pumipigil? Bakit hindi pa kaya? So, with this strength card in here, siguro hindi pa masabi ni person A, no? Ang dami ko pa kasing responsibilities na kailangan gawin. This is very Filipino tradition, no? Hindi ko sinasabing pangit, no? Kasi that's make us unique as a Filipino, well known for having these close family ties. Pero sometimes it's a curse and sometimes it's a blessing kasi katulad nga, we are known for close family ties and, you know, people around the world are actually amazed by that. But there's also a pros and cons. The consequence here is you cannot move forward, di ba? Kasi kailangan nga nating isipin muna yung ibang tao. And that's actually not wrong, okay? Um, I think that ang iniisip lang dito, yun nga, selfless, okay? Um, wala kasing tama, walang mali doon eh. Um, ang naaano lang natin dito, ang naitataya natin is yung our own growth and our own happiness. Now, with the Two of Swords and the Ace of Cups, Two of Swords is clarified by the Page of Wands and the Ten of Swords. So meron nang hindi talaga makapag-antay. I feel like someone here is going to give an ultimatum, no? Um, sa sobrang gigil, no? Sa sobrang hindi na makapagpigil, um, someone needs to make a decision na is it me now or is it other priorities? Oh, wow. Kasi I feel like kahit mahal kita, kahit gaano kita kamahal, parang time is running out for the other person, no? So parang meron dapat na sense of urgency. Parang nape-pressure, no? May pressure na ini-inflict sa person B. Kailangan nga pa talaga magdesisyon na dito. Kasi it kind of makes me feel na kung sino man ito nagbibigay ng ultimatum, no, tatotohanin nito. Kasi I might not gonna be your priority ever, no. It's always other people. Wow. You have to be patient, sabi ni person A. And I can't right now. I think we're very aligned dito sa reading na ito. Is it what's really dominant in here? Alam mo, may friend ako. I just need to butt this in. Hindi siya Leo, no? Pero may friend akong Leo na kilala, no? Alam mo na ano siya, hindi naman sa late, no? Pero kasi, babae yon. Ang katawan kasi ng babae, di ba, may somewhat expiration date yung matres, di ba? So, parang malapit na siya dun sa, hindi naman siya sobrang menopausal, dun sa age na baka hindi na magkaroon ng anak, no? Kumbaga critical na yung matres is having this sense of urgency. Pero sa sobrang ang kailangan i-take yung responsibility, no? Parang even siya, sinasabi niya na parang malabo na rin na magkaroon siya ng own family. So hindi niya kino-close yung door, pero kung ibibigay, that's miracle. Pero yun nga, parang nasayang, no? Pero at one point in time, or probably, yung sa kanya naman, I'm being satisfied with what I did. No, meron naman daw siyang mga pamangkins, ganyan. So, we cannot intrude dun sa reasoning niya. And actually, there's nothing wrong, di ba? Mapasaya mo yung family mo, masaya ka naman din sa ginagawa mo, so it's okay. It just so happened na probably ito yon, no? Ganito yung nangyayari. Yung body ko requires something to be done. Because hindi siya parang katulad ng sa lalaki, kahit matanda ka na, no, pwede ka magbuntis or makabuntis rather, no. Not to the extent na syempre kapag may mga sakit, that's another story. Pero kasi sa babae medyo yun nga, limited ang time. So, yun yung parang naging nandito. So, if it's not now, I have to, no? Even though that I love you that much, I have to set this free. Leo, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Now, this could be their sun sign or placement in their chart. Baka kapwa Leo ito. Pisces, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. Yan. So yeah, yun po ang iyong reading, no, Leo? So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po tayo dyan, no? So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero, kung feeling niyo hindi talaga kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, don't worry, sa description box, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Sa pinakababa po, no, ibaba nyo lang ng sobrang baba, nandun po yung question form. The amount per question, nandun din po um, yung QR codes, no? The name, the number for reference, kasi meron pong gumagamit ng fake accounts pretending to be Babaylan TV, no? So, kung hindi po nag-match yon, hindi po ako yon. Okay? Kung may nagme-message, lalo na kung may nagme-message sa inyo, you can use that reference. So, yun lang po ang ginagamit ko for transactions. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1 that's already discounted price. And kung gusto niyo po mag-avail ng private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt, no, Leo? Kung gusto niyo manalo ng private reading, free of charge, nasa description box po yung links ng mga fake accounts, and then screenshot once you reported the fake account, and then send it to the email designated para po once nagapit natin yon, bubunot ako ng lucky winner for a private reading, no? So, Leo, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.